Good morning. As you know, my name is Tony Gonzalez, and I would like to thank all of y'all for coming down to do for this impromptu training exercise on how to properly use a safe or brand new safety analyzer on medical devices. The importance of doing a safety on each device is to ensure that both the customer and the patient are safe when being attached to the medical device. After you do a full functional PM, CM on your medical device, you need to do electrical safety. One of the first things you do after you do your PM or CM is you want to verify that your cord is free of any cuts or tears and there's no wires exposed. Secondly, you want to take your device, your test device, and plug it into a well-grounded outlet. Next, you want to turn on your safety analyzer, let it run through its self-diagnostic prior to connecting your medical device. And all this can be found in our database under PM Procedure 491. Once this is powered up, you want to go ahead and select ohms because we are going to be testing the resistance of our power cord. You go ahead and plug in your power cord. You utilize your red lead that comes with your tester. And what you want to do next is go ahead and connect this into the ground lug or the chassis of the medical device that is here. Once that is connected, you'll take your time to come over here and read the reading. We want to be well below 500 milliohms. Currently, right now, we are reading 0.121 ohms, which is 121 milliohms. The next thing you want to do after that is go ahead and change the function of the unit to read microamps. At this time, there's no power applied to this unit. Next, you want to go ahead and apply power to the unit by depressing the polarity button. Now the unit has power to it. Currently in the off position, you have 124 microamps. While the unit is well grounded, we want to read underneath 100 microamps. So we'll go ahead and power up, read the chassis leakage, which is the case leakage, and we are at 0.2. That is well below 100 microamps. The following thing you want to do is power up the unit all the way. Try to notice any changes in your reading. Remember, we still want it to stay below 100 microamps. Sorry about that. Now the unit's fully powered up. We are still at 0.2 microamps, which is well below 100 microamps. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and test it with the ground lifted. The reason for that is you never know how well your power cord is or the outlet, and you still want to make sure that the patient and end user is safe. So the following thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the earth ground, which will open up our ground on the unit. Now you will see that there is an increase. It is at 125 microamps. With that given, our procedure states that when ground is lifted, the maximum leakage that is allowed is 500 microamps. We are well below that. So this unit has passed our electrical safety. With that being said, we can go ahead and remove this tag, which proves that we conducted a PM on the unit, and apply a new tag. So after that is done, you would go ahead and power down the unit. Power down your device. Unplug the unit and return it to the floor. If you would have found any deficiencies, you would first start off by replacing the power cord and repeating the steps that I just showed you. Again, and that ends our training for today. If y'all have any questions or would like to come back at 1 p.m. for our more in-depth and other functional testing with this unit, y'all are more than welcome. But thank you for your time today.